Okay, we've figured out how to unbox this safely because it's so heavy. So, hold the packaging back in and fold that flap down. We use this handle and we gently move the box onto its side. Got to keep that flap under there. Okay, now the box is on its side. The packaging's in place here. So what we want to do next, keep these flaps out the way, and we need to turn it so that this is down there. So, let's give that a try. I can look at you so you can observe. Can you observe okay from up here? I hope so. Right, here we go. So, now we've inverted it. All 4 flaps are on the floor, so there's nothing to stop us just lifting the box off. Because the box shouldn't be as heavy. Okay. If you just wait here a moment, I lift the box up. That piece stayed in the box. Okay. So, here we are, albeit inverted. So, we now should be able to put this on the table the right way up. Okay, I'll be with you in a minute once we're back on there.